The story I have for you today is called I Love You Stinky Face, and it is written by Lisa McCourt. Mama said, "I love you, my wonderful child." But I had a question. "Mama, what if I were a big, scary ape? Would you still love me then?" "If you were a big, scary ape, I would make your birthday cake out of bananas and would tell you, 'I love you, my big, scary ape.'" But Mama, what if I were a super smelly skunk and I smelled so bad that my name was Stinky Face?" "Then I'd plunk you in a bubble bath. But if you still smelled stinky, I wouldn't mind. I'd whisper in your ear, 'I love you, Stinky Face.'" But Mama, what if I were an alligator with big, sharp teeth?" "I'd buy you a bigger toothbrush. And if your throat hurt, I'd look inside your huge mouth. I'd tell you, 'I love you, my dangerous alligator.'" But Mama, what if I were a terrible, meat-eating dinosaur?" "Then I'd make you a mountain of hamburgers to eat. I'd say, 'I love you, my sweet, terrible dinosaur.'" But Mama, what if I were a swamp creature with slimy, smelly seaweed hanging from my body?" "Then I would live by the swamp and take care of you always. I tell you, 'I love you, my slimy swamp monster.'" But Mama, what if I were a green alien from Mars and I ate bugs instead of peanut butter? "Then I would fill your lunchbox with spiders and ants and the tastiest bugs you ever had. And I'd pack a note with all the bugs that said, 'I love you, little greenie. Bon appetit.'" But Mama, what if I were a one-eyed monster? "I love you, Mama, and I love you, my wonderful child." I hope you all have enjoyed this story, and I want you all to know that I love each one of you very much. I hope you guys have a great day.